me introduce myself. My name is Anggun Novi. I am from the 23C management class at the Indonesian Technocrat University. Here I will convey a little of my analysis from an article about the monetary outlook in Indonesia. Based on the article, Bank Indonesia is developing the digital rupiah as an effort to maintain rupiah's sovereignty in the digital era and support broader financial inclusion. However, the issuance of the digital rupiah as Indonesia's central bank digital currency, CBDC, could bring major disruption to the banking industry and existing transaction systems. The implementation of the digital rupiah requires careful study so that it provides more good than disruption. Additionally, the transition to a CBDC may also influence monetary policy and government intervention in the economy. Develop more. Based on the article, the implementation of the digital rupiah as Indonesia's central bank digital currency, CBDC, could have a significant impact on the financial industry and existing transaction systems. The issuance of a CBDC could bring disruption to existing financial institutions, such as commercial banks, and raise liquidity risks that could disrupt the stability of the financial system. Additionally, the transition to a CBDC may also influence monetary policy and government intervention in the economy. In addition, the development of the digital rupiah could also raise issues related to financial data privacy, where transaction records required to prevent money laundering could threaten individual privacy. This raises important considerations regarding the supervision and control that central banks have over individual financial transactions. Additionally, CBDC adoption could also change the banking landscape by allowing direct access to central bank reserves by the general public, which could reduce dependence on commercial banks. This can affect the flow of funds and credit allocation in the financial system, as well as raise questions regarding central bank neutrality in credit allocation. Thus, the implementation of the digital rupiah as a CBDC needs to be carefully considered to minimize negative impacts and ensure that its benefits can be widely felt in supporting financial inclusion and maintaining rupiah's sovereignty in the digital era. Impact on financial industry. Discussion on how the implementation of rupiah digital as CBDC can disrupt the existing financial industry, particularly commercial banks, and pose liquidity risks. Mention of the need for thorough assessment to ensure that the benefits outweigh the disruptions. Privacy concerns and explanation of the potential privacy issues related to financial data with the adoption of CBDC, highlighting the balance between anti-money laundering measures and individual privacy. Discussion on the implications of central bank surveillance on financial transactions and the challenges of maintaining financial privacy. Potentially reducing reliance on commercial banks and affecting credit allocation. Discussion on the risks of funds flowing from commercial banks to central banks, leading to instability in the banking system and potential challenges in credit allocation by the central bank. Conclusion and summary. Recap of the key points regarding the impact of rupiah digital as CBDC on the financial industry, privacy concerns, monetary policy, and the future of banking and credit allocation. Emphasis on the importance of careful consideration and collaboration among stakeholders to ensure a successful implementation of rupiah digital for the benefit of financial inclusion and sovereignty of the rupiah. Thank you for your attention. I hope all my friends understand it and I hope it is useful for all my friends. That is all from me.